All right, if you want to give your kid instant cool kid status at the lunch table, pick up a box of these. It's not the little Takis, whatever. These are the full-size small bags. 4 crunchy fajitas, 5 blue heat. We're gonna open them up and taste test them. 5 Takis Fuego, 4 of the nitros. Crunchy fajitas, blue heat. Ooh. Hello, Fuego. Takis Nitro. So that's crunchy fajita, blue heat, Fuego, Nitro. Very different colors. All right, so we'll start with Nitro. This one, that's my favorite. If you like lime, right there. All right, Fuego is like the traditional one. Still so good. More salty than like limey. These are so good. Okay, blue heat, which I don't think I've ever actually had. I don't taste a huge difference. It is a little bit more tangy though than this. That's actually really good. I don't think I've ever had that. This color kind of scared me. And then crunchy fajita, which I've also never had. Yeah, take it or leave it. Least crunchy. That's not that crunchy. That's kind of crunchy, but they feel thinner. These, oh my God. Oh yeah. These two are super crunchy. If you have kids, or you've left your house anytime in the last 10 years, then you know that the world is obsessed with Takis. Little variety pack. None of these will go to waste. Next time you want to make your kid the most popular kid at the lunch table, grab these.